Okay, hello everyone. Welcome, Aries. So, titignan natin ang update sa iyong love life at titignan din natin kung anong mensahe ng spirit guide sa iyo regarding your love life. What's going on sa iyong love life, no? So, tingnan natin kung sino yung taong nag-iisip sa iyo, Aries. So, ito po yung collective reading para sa Aries. It doesn't matter po kung anong tao o kung anong buwan yung napanood dito, kung ilang araw nyo napanood dito. Once na nakita nyo po ang video na to, ibig sabihin may mensahe sa inyo, no? Okay, Aries, tignan natin. Sino ang taong nag-iisip sa'yo? Natin, no? Sino ang taong nag-iisip kay Aries? Sino ang taong nag-iisip kay Aries? Oh, somebody's talking to you. Ini-stalk ka ng taong ito, Aries. He's talking at you. Tinitignan ka niya. My God, baka social media talking to. Pag wala kang social media, baka inaabangan ka sa kanto nito, nak, no? Okay. There's not danger. Oh, may tumatalon. Okay, let's see kay Aries. Aries, meron kang new face sa taong ito. Or maybe sabihin natin, ang taong ito kare-release lang ng past. O sabihin natin na willing siya na kalimutan ang lahat. No? Parang nakita natin may growth din sa iyong love life o sa kanya parang he's hoping na magkaroon din ng parang sabihin natin ng bagong cycle sa inyo. No? Aside sa ini-stalk ka niya, tell us more spirit guide ang persons na to, ang nag-iisip kay Aries. Nag-iisip kay Aries, spirit guide. Nag-iisip kay Aries. Medyo ano po may sugat yung kamay ko. Oh, merong third part, merong sabihin natin na nag-set ng boundaries. Kasi it's either na babae ka man o lalaki, parang nakikita ng persons nito. Look at this one, may snake. Sabihin din natin na you transform a lot din, no? Sa pag-i-stalk niya, kita mo yung may mata, no? So sa pag-i-stalk niya, nakita niya you change a lot, no? Na-charm mo siya, na-attract siya. The girl with the snake, it doesn't matter but that, may iba pang meaning dito eh. So, sabihin ko muna, ang connection ng dalawang card na to. So, somebody's talking at you at nakita kanya na nag-glow ka at na-charm mo siya. Lalo mo siyang na-attract, lalo siyang na-in love sa'yo, no, Aries? Yes, he knows na you're setting boundaries. You're setting boundaries. Iba pang meaning nito, kagaya ng sinasabi ko isa, maaring meron nagbabalat kayo na either na malapit sa'yo, no? Or sabihin din natin, hindi pa niya pinapakita din ang totoo niyang feelings towards you, no? So, medyo nag-iingat siya, nagsiset siya ng boundaries. Okay? Ayan. Panag. Tell us more about this person's spirit guide. I think this is your twin flame kasi nami-mirror mo ang sarili mo sa taong ito. Kilala mo na to. You are reflecting each other. Twin flame mo to na. Pagka, it's either na, kasi ang twin flame naman, hindi naman, na darating ang twin flame ninyo pag kailangan mong, pag talagang hirap ka na, isa-save ka niya. No, makikita mo magkakaroon ka ng enlightenment. No? Kaya dumarating. Ngayon, parang itong persons na to is your real twin flame. Either your ex, pero twin flame mo siya na magbibigay aral sa'yo. Makikita mo yung hindi mo nakikita sa sarili mo. At sa kanya rin, makikita din niya ang hindi niya nakikita sa sarili niya. Parang you both mirroring each other. No, nararamdaman niya ang sakit mo, kaya nagsisave siya sa'yo. Parang ganon. So, mirroring each other. Diyan kayo magkakaroon ng self-reflections. Diyan kayo mai-enlight. So, ang persons na to, darating sa'yo o dumating na sa'yo na may purpose. No? Na para magkaroon ka ng kaliwanagan, kung anong worth mo at kung anong value mo, siya rin, diyan niya rin makikita na siguro siya sobra siyang, sobra niya siguro, yung twin flame mo siguro, itong person na to, sobra siyang nagbibigay, no? Hindi siya nakakatanggap. So, yan, makikita niya yan pag kayong dalawa nag-connect. Do you get me? So, yan ang purpose ng twin flame pag darating sa inyo. No, ang twin flame naman kasi kahit ano talagang may time na talagang aalis siya pag enlighten na siya. No, ang twin flame, yes, masakit maghiwalay, pero ang purpose niya nagampanan niya na it will do good sa iyo, no? Okay, ano pa po? Sino pa po? Ano pa po yung message dito regarding this spirit guide? Wow. So, new phase. So, talagang, ayan, dalawa lang new phase na nakikita natin dito. Talagang meron kang new chapter, may new beginning ka. It doesn't matter kung titingnan natin mamaya kung anong feeling ng persons na nag-iisip sa'yo dito, Aries, pero na nakita natin somebody is rekindling, na gusto niyang i-renew ang bond ninyong dalawa. I think ang twin flame mo hindi pa tapos sa'yo, parang may unfinished business pa siya, parang gusto ka pa niyang ma-rekindle, parang gusto ka pa niya actually makasama, no? Parang bitin siya, or binitin mo siya. Parang nakita mo, yes, may pag-aaway kayo, no? Nag-silent kayo. Pero nakikita natin, this person is not, your person is not willing to finish the business with you. No? Parang he will not gonna easily give up to you, Aries. No? So, tingnan nga natin kung anong feeling ng persons na to sa'yo. Let's see. So, this is just energy check-up. So, tignan natin kung anong feeling ng persons ni Aries. Anong feeling ng persons ni Aries, guide? Feeling ng persons ni Aries. So, anong feeling ng persons ni Aries? Na natin. Darang. Oh my God. He want to explore things with you. Feeling niya na ikaw is worth, parang feeling niya, you're giving him some inspirations. Binibigyan mo siya ng inspirations at gusto niya na ikaw ang kasama pag mag-explore. To explore something adventurous na kasama ka. So, ang page of one, this is also card of waiting. Or sabihin natin, this is a renewed passions na nakita niya sa'yo. Kaya kung bakit gusto kanyang makasama. No, nag-enjoy siya, nakikita niya na you're so exciting na makasama sa journey ng buhay niya. Yan ang feeling ng persons mo, Aries. And then we have this, oh my God, this is the, parang nakikita niya ang purity mo. Parang nakikita niya, you have lots to offer here. He could see the enlightenment sa'yo. Parang nakikita niya na you're so innocent, Aries. Pero very fiery, na yan, dyan mo siya nakukot. He's very happy being with you. Parang nakikita niya ang enlightenment and happiness kapag kasama ka niya. Oh my God, I hope all. Ayan, pero medyo stillmate siya. So, klaro nga natin bakit siya stillmate. Let's see. Bakit siya stillmate, Aries? Let's see, bakit siya stillmate? Parang dito, parang pag two of swords, no? Nagda-dart siya na nakapiring ang mata niya. Nakikita mo? So, yan, stillmate, or sabihin natin, this is thinking of two potential lover din. Pero, it might not resonate sa lahat sa inyo. Pero, ang ano nito, parang, talagang, ayaw niya makita ang katotohanan dito. Ayaw niya mag-decide. Dahil maybe matimbang yung third party. I could see there's a third party going on here. Or siguro sabihin natin na hindi third party. Or sabihin natin takot siya na harapin ang katotohanan. No? Pwede ba naman na magda-dart siya na nakapiring ng mata? Tanggalin niya lang niya, makakapag-decide siya. Parang takot siyang harapin ang katotohanan. Kaya parang ini-stillmate niya, parang pinopost niya ang pagdesisyon. No? Even though, kung makikita mo dito sa feelings niya, nakita niya na lahat, pero siguro it's something to do with the pride, no? Ikaklaro ko tong two of swords. Why the two of swords is here? As a feeling, Why the two of swords is here sa feeling? Bakit na? Hindi na, tumalon na. Oh, parang medyo, rin talagang nagugulumihanan siya, no? Parang nakikita din niya, feeling niya may secret kang tinatago na kailangan niyang obserbahan. Feeling niya meron ka rin sekreto na hindi mo sinasabi sa kanya, Aries. So, ayan, no? Tingnan mo, may kandila siya. Parang gusto niya ng kaliwanagan. And if this moon showed up, meron siyang lihim na madidiskubre, o parang tingin niya parang tingin niya there's something on you na kailangan niya madiskubre. Nakakainis naman 'to. No, sigurista. Stalker mo, no? Pero gusto ka niya, ibig sabihin is very interested to you. Pero parang makikita mo rito, sigurista. Alam niya may sikreto siyang madudiskubre sa'yo. Sa moon. Medyo talagang pa, pero gusto niyang parang I don't know kung anong sinesearch niya. Sige, klaro natin kung anong sinesearch niya ng persons ni Aries. Iklaro natin yan kasi may moon ka rito no? In the fact na may sun ka, naklaro sa kanya na ikaw ang gusto niya, no? Gusto niyang makasama ka. He's very He's very proud of you. Tapos dumating dito, nagpo-post siya dahil parang this is, he need to make a decisions na nakapiring ang mata niya. No? Parang takot siyang harapin ang katotohanan. Then dumating din ito, pag. So pag, double pag to, nakapikit ang mata, tsaka may moon. No? So isipin mo, this is a secret na gusto niyang madiscover. Medyo siguro inobserbahan niya ang kahinaan mo para mayroon siya sa next na pag-uusap ninyo, meron siyang iaano sa'yo. Meron siyang panlaban. Pero this is when we have the moon here, there's a blockage, may pag. Feeling niya may dapat o sabihin natin na feeling niya marami kang hidden na mystery, no? Pero itong ano, kaya siya nag-i-stalemate din. So let's clarify ang ano, the moon, no, Aris. Let's see why we have the moon. Oh, ay parang ano, this person wants to decide na rin. Hirap na rin ang persons na to. So pag may didiscover siyang hindi maganda sa'yo, he will walk out on you. O dahil siguro kailangan niyang talaga rin na madiskubre kung totoo ba ang mga siguro naririnig niya, totoo ba yung mga naano niya. So he will easily, pag nagkaroon siya ng clarity rito, he will walk out on you pag tingin niya na wala na siyang chance. And Aris, or hindi pa, sige, dagdagan natin yan. So nakikita natin sa pag-observe niya, pag nakita niyang ano na he will easily walk out on you, i-give up niya. Let's see. Let's clarify naman ngayon ang Eight of Cups, no, Aries? Let's see. Let's clarify the Eight of Cups. Oh! Parang ito yung something. Ang Eight of Cups kasi po, ang ibig sabihin nito, with connected with the moon, medyo nalalabuan siya. Kaya pinili niyang i-give up or sabihin natin naghahanap na i-give up niya ang no longer na hindi na nakakatulong sa kanya. No? Then since it was followed by the Hangman, so, once na after niyang mag-walk out sa mga things na hindi niya naiintindihan kasi blockage pa 'to, this is the moon na hindi niya maintindihan, kaya hindi siya makapag-decide although na alam niya sa puso niya na gusto ka niya, mahal kita, gusto niyang maulit uli ang journey ninyong dalawa, no? Once na hindi niya madiskubre kung ano ito, itong the moon na 'to, itong sikreto, dahil feel niya talaga na meron kang tinatago na ano, he will walk away and he will post it. Kaya may silent energy kayo ngayon, no? Ibig sabihin hindi silent 'to, kumbaga he hung himself, parang let's leave it to the universe, parang ganun siya, no? Let's leave it to the fate ang ano niya. Pero it doesn't mean na hindi ka niya mahal. Kaya lang pag nalalabuan pa siya, is willing to make it false ang inyong relationship. Nakukuha mo, Aris? So let's see more. So tingnan natin ang kanyang intensyon. Ang kanya pong intensyon, ang kanya pong intensyon. Ang intensyon ng persons ni Aris. Let's see anong intentions ng persons ni. Oh, medyo naguguluhan siya talaga, no? Anong intensyon? Oh, intensyon niya, Ten of Pentacles. Although na, alam niya na, gusto niya talaga ng, parang he's thinking na talagang, ano ka parang family figure ka, Aris. No? Pero marami siyang mystery. Kagaya mo, i-connect natin sa the moon. Marami siyang gusto rin, kasi this person's might gonna take a really chance on you na gusto niya magkaroon ng Ten of Pentacles. Parang this person's really parang gusto niya na ikaw na rin ang makasama niya. Pero marami siya sigurong ano, no? Marami siyang gustong malaman sa'yo na hindi niya pa nakikita. Parang it's very mystery sa'yo. Parang ang daing blockage dito na kailangan niyang maliwanagan. Parang yung mga sikreto mo gusto niyang malaman. No? So, but this is win at all costs para ma-take ang Ten of Pentacles. Pero ang nakikita natin dito, no, parang kahit anong mangyari, gusto niya ikaw ang future niya. So, yan ang maganda. Kahit anong gagawin niya, kahit ano pang mangyari, after niya rito sa Hangman, kahit anong mangyari, he wants some victory ito, no? O sabihin natin, gusto niyang magkaroon ng Ten of Pentacles. Gusto niya na ikaw ang legacy, kasama niya sa legacy. Wow naman. I hope, Dahil he finds na, dahil pinili ka niya, And he finds na you are the right choices para dito sa Ten of Pentacles. So the lovers also, this is a soulmate connections and this is also choices. Ibig sabihin, pinili ka niya. Kahit na kung ano pang daanin niya, kahit ano pa, win at all cost nga eh. Kahit may masaktan pang iba, he will fulfill this legacy to just to be with you. Yan ang choices niya. Sabihin natin, nasa crossroad ang persons na to, no? Tell us more. He wanted it to be stable. He wanted to be tangible. At ano pang mangyari. These persons will pursue you, Aries. No? Siguro ngayon, ngayon nakikita natin, kasi this is post. Kung nakakaramdam ka ngayon, nakakaramdam ka ba ng parang tingin mo nakapost ang inyong relationship o talagang napaka-silence o no contact? Please leave a message sa ating comment, no? Para, don't worry, i-answer ko yan kung bakit. Para maliwanagan ka. No, pero this person is willing to take the risk. Ang gusto niya na ikaw ang maging kasama niya for the rest of his life, na magbuo ng pamilya. He wants some tangible. Pero ang Ten of Pentacles, may hardship to eh. Ibig sabihin, I love this card with the Ten of Pentacles kasi ito yung pundasyon na kayong dalawa mismo ang nag-build nito, na naramdaman nyo ang hirap, pasakit, saya, lumbay, kasaganaan, no? Pagka nabuo ang Ten of Pentacles because of hardship ninyong dalawa and you're working on your legacy, no? And this is your choices. Ten of love, we have the lovers here. This is a soulmate connections then. So kung makikita mo, this persons want some opportunity with you, Aries, no? So hindi to ilalaban ka niya, no matter what. Pero alam niya na may kakompetisyon ka. Or sabihin natin, maraming mystery, alam niya medyo marami kang sikreto. But still, these persons, for the meantime, sa isang phase is mag-walk out siya and then he will post it, but then he will waken up. Nakita na kagad ang next actions niya rito, no? Kapag isip niya after ng hangman, ipaglalaban ka niya at any cost, no? Kahit sino pang masaktan, basta mapanalo ka lang at mabuild itong Ten of Pentacles. At yan ang kanyang choices, no? Gusto niyang makapiling ka because he knows na meron kayong deeper connections, no? He wanted to build some tangible connections with you. He wanted to have some opportunity with you, Aries. O, ano pa ba yan? Napaganda. Tell us more. Ayan, expect some communication, text, or yung parang magugulat ka, nasa pintuan mo na yan. He wanted to talk to you. So, tingnan natin kung anong gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. Kasi ito, nagmamadali eh, no? Parang hindi talaga, nakaano na siya, oh. Talagang humahagipas. Humahagipas, no? Sabihin natin, ang questions niya hindi medyo romantic. No, diretso siyang tatanungin ka, mahal mo ba ako? O come on, let's go na, pakasal na tayo. Let's go, let's do it again. Parang ganun ang approach niya. Wala siyang paligoy-ligoy. And this is the Knight of Swords na gusto niyang malaman din ang katotohanan. Medyo madalian, no? So, it's up to you. Paghandaan mo ang Knight of Swords na darating sa'yo, Aries. Tell us more. Because kita mo ang purpose niya eh. Nakita mo, no? Gusto niyang mag-build ng tangible. Ipaglalaban ka niya, parang after niyang mag-post, no? Parang na-energize siya, no? Punta na siya rito sa Five of Swords na win at all costs. Kahit sinong masaktan, kahit ano pa, talagang kailangan ko ma-achieve ang Ten of Pentacles na to. Pinili ko yan, ito gusto ko, no? Dahil alam ko, soulmate ko yan. Siya na yung may capability ng Ten of Pentacles. So, I wanted to have an opportunity with these persons, no? Ikaw to, no, Aries? Kakausapin kita kahit ano pa, kailangan mag-usap tayo, kailangan natin mag-ayos, kailangan natin ng heart-to-heart conversation, gamitin mo ang utak mo. Parang gano'n, no? Not heart-to-heart conversations, parang sabihin natin, medyo very harsh ang dating nito sa'yo. Pero alam ko kikiligin ka because you like these persons also, Aries. Ayan, this is also logistic. No, ito rin yung sasabihin niya ang plano niya sa'yo. Nagmamadali siya kasi parang he made up his mind. He made up his mind na gusto niya mag-build ng opportunity sa'yo na tangible. No? Kita mo rito, he made up his mind na mag-antay or sabihin natin na he's planning. Ito yung planning na hindi lang parang sabihin natin na planning niya para lang sa ngayon. Ang plano niya is for the future na kayong dalawa is mag-excel. So, excited siya na sabihin sa iyo ang kanyang plano, no? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. So, talagang expect some communications. He will tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. Ang lahat ng plano niya, no? Alam mo kung bakit sa nag-trigger yan? Dito, sa marami kang sikreto, feeling niya marami ka talagang sikreto na kailangan niyang maano. So, nangingibabaw pa rin ang feeling niya. So, kagaya na nakikita natin dito, na-trigger siya nung leave it to the universe, the hangman, na medyo nag-post siya, no? Nagkaroon siya ng realization, ng deep understanding kung gaano kakahalaga sa kanya, no? So, nakapag-decide siya, after that niya, nakapag-decide siya, so natabunan ang stalemate ng Two of Swords. Kahit marami kang sikreto daw, kumbaga tanggap ka niya, no matter who you are. Kung ano pa yung sikreto mo, wala siyang pakialam na. Basta ang gusto niya, ikaw ang makasama sa for the rest of his life, Aries. Oh my God, kinikilabutan ako. Okay? So tingnan natin kung anong pang message. Let's see more, no, Aries? Aries, this is for Aries. What is coming for Aries and advice in this relationship? Aries, let go of control issues. So, hayaan mo lang. Just have faith. Let the universe handle the rest. So, just allow these situations to unfold naturally. No? So, just have faith. Passion. So, allow your heart, soul to sing with joy. May excite ka sa taong ito, no? Magugulat ka. Magugulat ka na nandiyan na siya. Kahit ano pang tinatago mo, kahit ano pa yung sabihin mong pagkakamali mo. He will accept you no matter who you are. And he will pursue you. Sa una medyo nag-aalinlangan, pero after ng kanyang hangman, no? Win at all cost to, no? Kahit ano pang mangyari, ito sa pagiging hangman niya, kahit ano pang gawin ko, kahit ano pang tinatago niya, I will win him. I will accept him. Oh my God. Just to have this 10 of Pentacles. Kita mo? Aris ang persons mo. Okay? So tell us more. Engagement! Oh my God. Pauwi sa engagement to. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of communications, Aries. Commitment, I'm sorry. Commitment, Aries. Napakaganda. And then, mag-pay attention ka rin sa red flag kasi maraming mga jealous people, no? So, pipilian mo rin yung i-share mo about these situations kung ito ang persons mo, okay? So, pengin naman po ng like and hype dyan. And panoorin nyo po yung ano nyo, no? Mayroon po tayong April reading din. Pati yung mga collective reading po, no? Pati po yung ibang mga collective reading natin. So, pero parang nakapokus tayo kay Aries dito. Parang panay banggit ko kay Aries. So, this reading is for Aries, no? Ayan. Thank you so much and God bless you, Aries.
Dear friend, have you ever felt so stuck, hurt, or hopeless that you knew something had to change, but you didn't know how things would work out? A time when you could have really used more insight and guidance, or at least a new way to nurture yourself and bring a little more peace into your life. We all struggle with our own issues, self-defeating patterns, and conditioning, all of which color our views of ourselves and the world, whether we're aware of it or not. Add in the chaos of modern life, and it makes sense that you might not know what to do, where to turn, or even what's holding you back. But what if you had a tool that could help you not only relieve stress and anxiety, but also help you focus on self-care and get clear on what blocks your way to living the life you truly want and deserve? In Har, everything will be revealed to you. In Har, you will be inspired, enlightened and empowered.
Mahal kong kaibigan, naranasan mo na bang mapagod, nasaktan, o nawalan ng pag-asa na alam mong may kailangang baguhin, ngunit hindi mo alam kung paano mangyayari ang
Dear friend, have you ever felt so stuck, hurt, or hopeless that you knew something had to change, but you didn't know how things would work out? A time when you could have really used more insight and guidance, or at least a new way to nurture yourself and bring a little more peace into your life. We all struggle with our own issues, self-defeating patterns, and conditioning, all of which color our views of ourselves and the world, whether we're aware of it or not. Add in the chaos of modern life, and it makes sense that you might not know what to do, where to turn, or even what's holding you back. But what if you had a tool that could help you not only relieve stress and anxiety, but also help you focus on self-care and get clear on what blocks your way to living the life you truly want and deserve? In Har, everything will be revealed to you. In Har, you will be inspired, enlightened and empowered.
Mahal kong kaibigan, naranasan mo na bang mapagod, nasaktan, o nawalan ng pag-asa na alam mong may kailangang baguhin, ngunit hindi mo alam kung paano mangyayari ang
Dear friend, have you ever felt so stuck, hurt, or hopeless that you knew something had to change, but you didn't know how things would work out? A time when you could have really used more insight and guidance, or at least a new way to nurture yourself and bring a little more peace into your life. We all struggle with our own issues, self-defeating patterns, and conditioning, all of which color our views of ourselves and the world, whether we're aware of it or not. Add in the chaos of modern life, and it makes sense that you might not know what to do, where to turn, or even what's holding you back. But what if you had a tool that could help you not only relieve stress and anxiety, but also help you focus on self-care and get clear on what blocks your way to living the life you truly want and deserve? In Har, everything will be revealed to you. In Har, you will be inspired, enlightened and empowered.
Mahal kong kaibigan, naranasan mo na bang mapagod, nasaktan, o nawalan ng pag-asa na alam mong may kailangang baguhin, ngunit hindi mo alam kung paano mangyayari ang
Dear friend, have you ever felt so stuck, hurt, or hopeless that you knew something had to change, but you didn't know how things would work out? A time when you could have really used more insight and guidance, or at least a new way to nurture yourself and bring a little more peace into your life. We all struggle with our own issues, self-defeating patterns, and conditioning, all of which color our views of ourselves and the world, whether we're aware of it or not. Add in the chaos of modern life, and it makes sense that you might not know what to do, where to turn, or even what's holding you back. But what if you had a tool that could help you not only relieve stress and anxiety, but also help you focus on self-care and get clear on what blocks your way to living the life you truly want and deserve? In Har, everything will be revealed to you. In Har, you will be inspired, enlightened and empowered.
Mahal kong kaibigan, naranasan mo na bang mapagod, nasaktan, o nawalan ng pag-asa na alam mong may kailangang baguhin, ngunit hindi mo alam kung paano mangyayari ang
Dear friend, have you ever felt so stuck, hurt, or hopeless that you knew something had to change, but you didn't know how things would work out? A time when you could have really used more insight and guidance, or at least a new way to nurture yourself and bring a little more peace into your life. We all struggle with our own issues, self-defeating patterns, and conditioning, all of which color our views of ourselves and the world, whether we're aware of it or not. Add in the chaos of modern life, and it makes sense that you might not know what to do, where to turn, or even what's holding you back. But what if you had a tool that could help you not only relieve stress and anxiety, but also help you focus on self-care and get clear on what blocks your way to living the life you truly want and deserve? In Har, everything will be revealed to you. In Har, you will be inspired, enlightened and empowered.
Mahal kong kaibigan, naranasan mo na bang mapagod, nasaktan, o nawalan ng pag-asa na alam mong may kailangang baguhin, ngunit hindi mo alam kung paano mangyayari ang
Dear friend, have you ever felt so stuck, hurt, or hopeless that you knew something had to change, but you didn't know how things would work out? A time when you could have really used more insight and guidance, or at least a